Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Dataproc Serverless for faster big data jobs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Dataproc Serverless for faster big data jobs, start by accessing the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Dataproc section in the console. Click on the Create Cluster button. Select the Serverless option on the cluster creation page. Choose your preferred region where the cluster will be deployed. Set the cluster name to something meaningful to your project. Now, define your workload type by selecting the appropriate job type from the options provided. Next, specify the environment, selecting the necessary components for your data processing. Determine the auto-scaling limits that best suit your needs. Set up the necessary IAM permissions to allow for job execution. Configure your job's input and output settings for the data you will be processing. After that, review your configurations carefully to ensure everything is set correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Create button to launch your serverless cluster. Wait for the cluster status to change to running. Now, navigate to the Jobs tab within the Dataproc section. Click on the Submit Job button to start a new job on your serverless cluster. Fill in the job details, including the job type, input files, and relevant properties. Select the appropriate cluster you just created from the drop-down menu. Submit the job and monitor the progress under the Jobs tab. Once the job is complete, review the results as well as any generated output files. To optimize future jobs, analyze the logs and resource usage from the completed job. Consider adjusting your configurations based on these insights to enhance performance for next time. Regularly revisit your Dataproc settings and update them as needed to maintain efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.